Alright, today's video, we're going to take a look inside of this guy. Has a battery, will not power up. In fact, we're going to, and one of the weaknesses in this guy, this is an old MP3 player, was this would slip down and prevent it from working. So let's pull it out. Alright, get that all the way in. Still not working. In fact, let's try plugging it into power to one of these. See if anything happens. No. In fact, I've tried plugging it into a computer. It doesn't. The computer doesn't even see it. And we'll just check to make sure the battery is actually okay. This is my cheapy meter, which needs a battery. But we got a fully charged battery, and this with a weak 9-volt battery, this meter has been less than accurate. So, all right, so let's take ourselves a peek. Let's see, what are we gonna need to open it up? Let's start with the opening tool here. Let's start by removing the string. Alright. Okay. Let's see if we can find a... Oh, there's a place. Alright. No screws there either. Alright. So it must have been available in other colors. All they would have did do is snap on different covers. Let's see. Well, hoping not to have to use unreasonable force. To quote another YouTuber. Let's see. Oh, there's some hope right there. There we go. Alright, we're in. Alright, there's front cover. Let's see. Alright, we got main board. We obviously have a headphone jack in the back here. Let's see. What can we use to encourage it? Well, okay, so that's actually a little nice. Let's see if I can liberate that board there. Okay, we'll get it past that. And there we go. It's out. Well, if you ever wondered what was in these early ones, there's, that's it. One big chip, and yeah. So, wonder... I was expecting to see some bad solder. broken wire on these connectors, but no, not at all. We can see if I can get this one done. No worries there. Well, that's it. You've got the display, and yeah, like I said, there's another large chip under the display that is probably the memory chip. This was a 64. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. This one was 256 megabytes. Ooh, that was a lot of storage. Let's see. Yeah, judging from the position of the chip under the display, that's the memory. This would be what did all the work. Let's see if I can. I wonder with that. Oh, that's interesting. Let's try something. There looks to be a pad and a resistor there. I wonder if that could be a hard reset. Let's put a battery in and find out. Of course, my new MP3 player to replace this one is way cooler than this old guy. This old one is. Holds way more songs. And going longer walks. There we go. Battery. Put it back in. Still nothing. But let's try. We'll use these here and try. Alright, nope, there we go. I'm definitely in. Still nothing. Still nothing. Let's try these two pads. Nope. Nothing there either. Well, let's see if we have power on the board. I think we know the answer to this. There we go. Yep, we have power there. Okay. Yeah, the white wire was the plus. Okay. Yep, definitely Yeah, looks like the power comes up, goes through. Let's try across here. Oh well. This is an old Lexar MP3 player back from the, oh, it was the early 2000s. Oh, again, graphic screen. Underneath is the memory chip, and there's the processor. And yeah. But it's reasonably clean. I don't see any signs of corrosion. So it just stopped working. So I'm guessing there was something happened. No doubt. Well, I wonder if that trace is still intact. Let's see if we have a voltage drop. Go up here on the common. See if we have voltage. Yep, we have voltage on the transistors. Oh, we have voltage on the other side. Oh, I'm surprised. Of course, I shouldn't trust that meter. Oh well, don't want to spend too much time on this. This was not supposed to be a repair video for this. It was just opening it up to see if there was anything obvious. There is not. So there you have it. What is the inside of a vintage Lexar jump drive MP3 player. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.